A battle of Goliath. World War III. John versus Fabian. I was waiting for you to say your name. Switzerland versus Los Angeles.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Brian Ames is here to judge. Rochambeau. May the best winner win. You shall do it. Best on 3. This never happened before. Oh! Got him. Regular heel flip. Got him. Switch heel flip. Fire back. Tray flip. There he goes. And a tray flip. There he was. John goes nollie tray flip, fakey tray flip. It's always so confusing when they skate different than you. Fabian lands it. No letters, 2 no letters. John has serious problems with his tray flips. He cannot miss them. Backside 180 heel flip. Oh no, oh no. He almost smashed his face. Wow, that was well executed. Big spin kick flip, stance, nollie, no fakie. Fakie big spin kick flip, fires back. Fakie heel flip. I'm just gonna tell you guys what the tricks are so we don't have to label them. Does that work? Not many people can make a varial flip look good, but Gabe Cruz can. John and Gabe Cruz have a steezy varial flip. He's an animal. He's animalicious. Full cab. Steve Caballero, thank you. Backside 180. Big flip. Big flip. Bigger flip. Varial heel flip. Fakey varial flip, of course, but see? I told you, it's hard. 180 heel flip, stance, fakie. Woo! Wow! Switch tray flip. Pa. Ooh, you had that. Was that fakie? Fakie, 360 heel flip, 360. That one's hard. Switch, backside 180 kick flip, 8th hardest trick in skateboard history. You got that. Just do a switch flip and then pivot. Woo!
All right, full park.
Full park it is. Yeah. Starting it off with the box. 180 manual. Woo! First try! John fires back. That sportsmanship is unreal out there. Nose blunt. Do you ever do those? Fabian goes to the flat bar. Feeble grind to salad. How in the world Does he just do everything? You've never done that in your whole life. Never, ever. John goes up to the Braille drop. Woo! Back tail! Can we just get him to do that and we'll say it's me? Stop these hashtags. He goes, Hubba Hideout. Crooked grind? You eat crooked grind for breakfast. Over to John. Front side nose grind power. Woo! I don't think we should count it. Woo! S.K.A.T.E. Switchback tail! That was not cool, John. Not cool. We'll give him a rebate. John wants to give it to him. Gabe says rebate. Geez, Gabe. Gabe's like, I would have done it. Oh! Yes!
Gabe is such a bad guy.
Yes!
He can do it.
Yes! I'm sorry, Brian. I'm sorry you had to go there. Front Smith to back Smith. You got this. I feel like I've seen you do this, though. Woo! Wow! Woo, boy! Kickflip back tail! I meant 5-0. 5-0. It was a 5-0. You got it. Woo! Oh! Woo! Brian would have rebated that, but I'm gonna give it to him. Wow, perfect. I'm sorry, I missed the whole trick. He nollied out like 10 feet though. Switch hill over the rail. Ew. There's a gummy bear stuck to the ground. Oh no! Do one thing for me real fast. Just do a no slide nollie hill. See, I just have to see if my theory was correct. I just wanted to see if you were gonna land it first try. Well played, hombres. Good job. Battle of the Goliaths. So these guys both have YouTube channels. You guys can go to their YouTube channels and subscribe, and I'm sure they would appreciate it if you left some nice, appreciative comments, like your guys' hair looks really nice.
That's important.
Yeah, or other such things that help promote others to learn how to skateboard would be great. So their channels will be linked in that description below. So you guys can go there and do all of those things. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below.